Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how we can sync the project of the CapCut from mobile phone to personal computer. You just need to open the CapCut application, wait until the application is perfectly open. Right after that, you just need to take a look on this bottom feature. There will be like 5 sections here. You just need to visit the profile. Now you just need to remember the username and passcode of the account that you used for your mobile phone. Now you just need to go back into the home sections, and you just need to upload the project that you want to sync. Let's say I would like to sync this, so you just need to go in the stress mode at the project that you want to sync. Now go click upload to space. So basically space is the storage features of the CapCut. So whenever you delete the project here, if you already uploaded into the space, you still have the record or the project, so you don't need to worry about that. Then your application will have less memory. Now you just need to open the library, and then you just need to go open this spaces, go click view all, and open the folder of the space that you have here. So it could be in a all, and then will be like a folder that you placed in, and then you just need to go back. Whenever your project is already successfully uploaded into your space, now you just need to open your laptop and application of the CapCut on your laptop, log in with your account, and you just need to find the spaces, and then you just need to go open the project that you want to continue edit with a computer. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, guys, and let's meet again into other tutorial.